Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Google Docs app on iPad, open the file and select the text you intend to change. Once the text is selected, make sure you see the floating formatting bar or tap the icon in the top right to reveal formatting options. This step targets only the text you want to adjust, so you avoid changing the whole document unintentionally. If you want a global change, you select All from the menu. Otherwise, proceed to Line Spacing Controls, visible under Paragraph Settings. Once the paragraph controls are open, locate line spacing in that panel. This is where you adjust the visual rhythm of your text. Tap the Line Spacing menu to reveal presets like 1, 0, 1, 15, 1, 5, and double, which are quick fixes for common layouts. If those presets don't match your needs, choose custom spacing to enter a numeric value for line height and paragraph spacing. This gives you precise control, so headings and body text maintain proportion and improve readability across the document. After picking a preset or entering a custom value, tap to apply and then tap outside the menu to close it. You should see the spacing update immediately. Make sure to scroll through the document to verify consistency and reselect any additional sections that need the same adjustment. If spacing didn't change, check that the text was selected correctly or try restarting the app. Also confirm you're on the latest Google Docs update. If problems persist, toggling Select All and reapplying spacing often fixes stubborn formatting quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.